Hello guys, this is Modest Autos and this is two combination of car troubleshooting and misfiring. So first of all, if you be car owner, watch this video to the end, and if you also be engineer or a technician, so watch this video to the end and see what you can do if you have a misfiring or troubleshooting issue. First of all, for those car owners that used to say check engine light is normal thing, you should on your car. No, if any light on after starting your car, it's a danger light and you should go and fix it. Likewise the fuel, once you see that fuel light comes on, you already know that you have a low fuel, so you will fill it up. Exactly, that is why you should not see any error or any danger light on your dashboard. And if your check engine light stay on, he on steady and he no off, he say na small thing, no problem. But once it start like this, you don't already buy market. So once it's blinking like this, first thing to do as a technician or a mechanical engineer or a car owner, go and diagnose your car first. Go and scan it and know the thing, know what's actually the problem. See, let me tell you something. What scanning machine will do for you, that money that you don't want to spend on scanning, you later spend it times 10 and still you won't find a fault. And for those of you who say engineer, we up say on do fix car without scanning it, how far I go to fix GS 470 V8 or I go to fix V8 engine? You go to come out manually? No, now come on. Even if it is small machine, just find a way to buy it. I know it's not easy, but just to make your work perfect. And you will collect money for that scanning as you are scanning it. So let's back to what we do to this car. Then this is the result of this car after scanning it. And the owner was like, wait, one coil, you mean one coil they make my engine dey shake gigi, like say the whole car won't damage? I said yes. So after changing this coil and the car was fine, so there's no code, no nothing, no blinking. This is it. So no single light again. So we test drive it, we drive it around and the car was okay. So this is how you fix a misfiring issue in a car. Then this is another car again. So this is Toyota Corolla Uber type. So this car is troubleshooting and it's doing brake and clutch all of a sudden. So we give it a full scan and this is the result. So the crankshaft sensor and the injector mouth, so that's what basically wrong with the car. So we change the injector mouth and we also change the crankshaft sensor. So imagine out of all this sensor that is on this car, why the machine just choose to, and we change that to, and everything was okay. So basically this is to tell you that it is very, very important for you to diagnose whenever it's faulty before you fix it. So it will direct you to the exact problem and will tell you this